Hello folks, Trekking Tweed again. We are back. We are doing the Couch to Ultra Marathon Runner YouTube series. 6 weeks to go till the race. What race, you ask? It is the Malvern Hills Ultra Race. I will be attempting to run 31, not 21, 31 miles on the 1st of May. We are 6 weeks away. We're getting off the couch and we're getting onto the fells. I hope you are all doing well out there. I'm doing well. In fact, I'm doing swell. 6 weeks to go. What have we been up to this week? I've attempted 2 5k runs. By runs, I mean I'm running for 1 minute and then I'm walking for 1 minute across the distance of 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles. How have we got on? Very well. No iliotibial pain, ITB pain in that little band there. From the videos I sent in the last week's video and the week before. Thank you to the subscribers for the comments. I feel like we're getting somewhere. But the theme of last week's video was patience. This week's video is patience as well. This moment we're in now is the moment we're going to get injured again. So patience. No sprinting down hills. No sprinting at all. Take your time trekking Tweed. That's what I'm doing. That's what I've been instructed to do. I'm not the most patient of people, so patience, okay? I also did a 5-mile walk along the Malverns a couple of days ago as well. So some good miles over the week, considering where we've been with the injury. We are a few weeks away now from the race. I feel like we're getting there, so fingers crossed we'll be able to run pain-free during the race, but we'll get there. That lovely feeling there. I've also been doing 4 sessions of strength and conditioning. We're getting strong, so I'm doing more, so which is good. The body's looking good, as you can see. Built like a Michelin man right now. 4 sessions of strength and conditioning. Really enjoying that. Really feeling the benefits now. Hopefully when I start to run, the plan next week is to actually run distance, not for 1 minute, so longer. So hopefully when I'm doing that, I'll feel a lot stronger with all the strength and conditioning. Done all the foam roller. I've had the massage ball out in the glutes, the thighs and everything. This pain and noises coming out of my body that you never could imagine that existed, but it's benefiting. I feel like I'm feeling good. So keeping with patience, keeping with the working out, keeping with the plan, the patience plan. I've also been doing a bit of mathematics, which is a little slower this week. 3 sessions, but we're putting formulas together and the maths is coming together slowly, but we're getting there. We're still soldiering on. The brain is not as clever as I would like it to be. Now I've got a little bit of an announcement. I have put together a website. A few weeks ago I asked everybody, what are your plans this year with regards to life and your running, your walking, your hiking, your kayaking. I've always wanted to put a website together. Never really knew what to do or what it would be about, but ladies and gentlemen, trekkingtweed.com is live. I'll put the link out down there below. Check it out. I'm going to be writing some blogs, some of my musings. I'm going to be putting the videos, well, the videos are on there. These videos you're watching, they're there, so you don't have to go over to YouTube and go over to the website. As I've mentioned last week, podcast. The podcast is coming soon. I am recording on Monday with a guest. I won't let you know the guest is, but we're recording. We shall see how it goes, and then maybe we'll put it out to the world. So we shall see. trekkingtweed.com, it's all there. There will be other announcements coming in the weeks, months that follow. It's all exciting stuff. Please check it out. Have a look, have a nosy, have a read. Let me know in the comments what you feel. If there could be any improvements, yada yada. Looking forward to you guys checking it out. So basically, recording that podcast next week. We've been doing everything we've been doing over the last few sort of 2 months now. I'm regurgitating everything. So a podcast might be nice for a bit of variety on the channel. So, and I'll probably get out when I'm running, do some actual filming as well. So you're not stuck looking at me talking to the camera in the shed. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, have a great week. I'm enjoying life at the moment. We're back running and I hope you're enjoying life too. So we'll see you when we've got 5 weeks to go. Take care and we'll see you later. Bye bye.